Welcome to this quick guide on how to open recent tabs in Google Chrome. If you've ever accidentally closed a tab or just want to revisit a site you were browsing, this updated method will help you easily access your recent tabs. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar. Once the browser is open, you'll be ready to retrieve those recently closed tabs. Next, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of your browser window. This icon is often referred to as the More menu. Clicking on these three dots will reveal a drop-down menu filled with various options to enhance your browsing experience. From this drop-down, navigate to Recent tabs. You may need to hover over the History option first, which will display additional choices. Click on Recent tabs, and you will see a list of the tabs you've recently closed. This feature is particularly useful as it allows you to reopen up to 5 of your most recently closed tabs with just one click. Once you've accessed the Recent tabs section, simply select the tab you wish to reopen. If you had multiple tabs open during your last session, they might be grouped together for easy access. Just click on the desired tab, and it will reopen in your current window. This method not only saves time but also ensures that you can quickly return to important sites without having to remember URLs or search for them again. In summary, by following these simple steps, opening Chrome, clicking on the three dots, and selecting Recent tabs, you can efficiently manage your browsing sessions and never lose track of your favorite sites again. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.